And it's Ken Kraetzer for Cadet Media. We're at the Tri-State Engineering Expo, White Plains High School. I have a chance to talk with one of the West Point cadets, came down for this, and that is Elijah Ruiz. And Elijah's going to tell us, how is it being here at the expo today for you?
Hey there, sir. Yes, it's been fantastic. There's been a lot of great students we have from middle and high schools, and they're getting interested in engineering. They're finding out about colleges, and it's been a great opportunity to share with them the things West Point can offer and all the great stuff we have going on, sir.
Looks like you had a neat demonstration of some of these bridges, and tell us about it.
Yes, exactly, sir. So all of these are from our construction management class, that's CE 450, and what they are, we're looking at things on a small scale, how we can manage projects. Each of these little members here has a cost associated with it, and we're looking at how we can most efficiently build the projects that are here, how we can manage the legality of them, the personnel costs, the labor, all that that makes us to build these projects that are efficient but still do the job in the way that's up to regulation.
Well, that's terrific. Tell us a little bit, what do you study at West Point?
Yes, sir. So I'm a civil engineering major up there. So we're looking for everything, roads, bridges, buildings, everything that stays still. I'm hoping to branch engineer so I can keep working on, building construction and whatnot.
Very good. Tell us a little bit about, there's a number of disciplines in engineering at West Point. We see cadets in from systems engineering, chemical, electrical. Tell us about the breadth of engineering programs at West Point, if you would.
Absolutely, sir. Yes, so I've got peers and friends that are in all sorts of engineering. So on our side of the house, we got civil and mechanical here today. In addition, there is electrical engineering. They have systems as well as engineering management. There's also chemical engineering, and I believe we've got environmental engineering as well. And I'm probably forgetting some because I know we got a pretty comprehensive program, but there is a good bit of engineering going on at West Point.
What's the best thing about coming out to an expo like this on engineering and meeting with many of the high school students here and their parents?
Gotcha, sir. I think the best part about it is just getting to get out in the community. At school, we're always very round up with, our work and plenty of folks that are in the military, and we kind of get set in our, cycles with doing that. It's so great to kind of come out here, break free of that just a little bit, see what it's like to kind of maybe relive our high school days a little bit and talk to these kids that we maybe see a little bit of ourselves in, and we think, I could inspire that guy. I can make him be somebody unique who wants to come out to West Point,
what part of the country are you from, and why did you decide on West Point?
Okay, yes, sir. So I'm from Albuquerque, New Mexico. So I wanted to join the military so I could serve and defend the freedoms that we have here in America. And then West Point specifically because I wanted to be in the Army because it is people-focused and based heavily on leadership.
Absolutely. And what do you see your future after graduation next year in the U.S. Army?
Great, sir. So I'm hoping to branch engineers where I can, go and serve out, either doing construction or combat engineering. I'd be happy with either. I'm hoping to branch engineers so I can get more experience with that. And then, I'd like to at least stay for maybe at least, of course, we're going to have to do 5 years. I'd like to see if I could do company command and then maybe do something else after that and outside the Army.
Elijah, great to see you, and great to hear what's going on at West Point on engineering. We try to follow it as much as we can, and really great demonstration. Glad to see you here at the Tri-State Engineering Expo.
Okay, thank you, sir. Pleasure to talk to you.
Thank you. It's Ken Kraetzer for Cadet Media at the Tri-State Engineering Expo in White Plains.